guys, I'm Mike 392. I'm out here at Coffee and Cars this morning. And I'm finna do one more. This is my last video, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up because I'm cold out here. What's up, officer?
What's up?
All right. All right, let me go get this car right for you. Get out of here. Oh, he gone. I ain't gonna catch him. I thought he was gonna come out. I thought he was gonna come out this way. Huh? Oh, look at this. There's something. Good morning, family. This is Uncle Mike 392 out here at Coffee and Cars this morning. I've been out here since 7 o'clock. It's a little bit after 9. And I'm going to wrap it up on this one. I'm going to do a little bit more content for you guys because this is the last one of the year, guys. This is the last Coffee and Cars for the year 2023. And I doubt very soon I'll be out here the one in January because last time I was out in January, man, I got sick as a dog, man. I ain't built for this shit like I was when I was younger. But I do my best, guys, you know. Come on. Check out this Audi. That's the TT Audi. Okay. TT Audi, all right. He went out the other way, officer. There we go. Make some noise for the boys. Man, it is like 40 degrees out here. It's fogging people out here, man. Got some big car followers out here, man. I love it, man. It's good content for me. You get to see the people, man. Just look at these people. It's cold out here, man. This dude got on short pants. It's 40 degrees out here. He more hardcore than I am. I'm about to freeze my ass off out here. A lot of these people out here recognize me. I've been doing this 2 years. I'm starting to get recognized out here. It's kind of scary because they know me, but I don't know them. I got to learn how to just relax, you know. People walk up to me and tap me on my shoulder while I'm filming. I'm about to shit on myself. What the fuck? Who is this tapping on me while I'm in production? I'm in production right now. I'm filming shit. You know, but it's all good. I can't even imagine PewDiePie or Mr. Beast or them guys with the big number of subscribers going out in public, man. I mean, I just barely got over 2,300, man. I'm recognized different places wherever I go. At least one person recognized me. I'm like, wow. I can't even imagine, you know, like PewDiePie got over 100 million? Jesus. I can't even imagine it. He can't go nowhere in peace, man. But he don't live in this country anymore either, I don't think. I think he lives overseas somewhere. And that's his thing. I don't blame him, man. You know, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I'm gonna put you in my video, brother, since you're my subscriber. Come on, I gotta get you in here, man. Go ahead and give a shout out, man.
Huh?
Shout out anybody you want.
Shout out my homie over here, Alexis LTX. Come over here. Hey,
come on, man. I see you, but you can't hide from this camera.
Why you hiding away?
You can't, huh?
Shout out my homie Luis LTX, also you know, his little GMC.
Mm-hmm.
Some slide. So,
where your truck? You got a ride out here, man?
Nah, bro, I just came bicycle.
All right.
But this is 6'2", fully built.
Mm-hmm.
It was built by Static Leo.
Mm-hmm.
Static Leo built this bitch.
Okay.
Over here.
You don't want to be on the camera, man. No, I ain't gonna. No, I don't force nobody, man. You don't want to be on that.
Other homie right here too.
Huh?
Other homie right here, Luis.
We got him.
Yeah, this is lineup though.
Oh, this is it?
No.
Oh, okay, let's go over and get him then.
Hey,
Starting where?
Hey, S8 truck.
Starting right here?
Yeah, start right here.
All right, let's go. We can get it right here.
Yeah, just a little fit gen. This is another. This is a cam fit gen.
Mm-hmm.
The 85 6.2 quarter manifold.
Gotcha.
And the next one is the dude with the saddle, the yellow jacket.
Yeah. This is it?
Cameras,
Right here?
this
Okay, gotcha.
So
Oh, you got it lifted too?
Yeah, it's lifted.
Now, what is it? How many inches you got it lifted?
8 inches.
8 inches, okay. Cool.
And my other homie, he's on 26-inch Forgiatos.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, gotcha.
26-inch Forgiatos all around.
Right.
24x12.
That's nice, man. I like that.
Special edition too. It's the Remington.
Mm-hmm.
You know how it says on the little side.
Yeah, let's get it. Yeah, right here.
Yeah. There's only about like 10 of them in the world.
Oh.
Only 10 of them in the world.
And he got one of them.
Yeah, he has one of them.
Cool.
It's all leather and everything.
Yeah, cool beans, man. Some big tires, man.
This trip's on Mugoi's list.
Mm-hmm.
So Mugoi's and
What does that say?
the SA trucks.
Okay,
So look at you. Take a photo of my jacket.
okay, let me get you. Gotcha. Hey, man, do me an honor.
Yeah.
I want you to film whatever you want to film. You film your boy's stuff.
Thank you.
My hands.
I got you. Trucks for the win. Yeah, I think I got enough.
Appreciate it, brother.
Thank you.
Hey, man, thank you, bro. Appreciate it. I let my man, he's one of my subscribers, I let him do some filming for me. Since he's one of my subscribers, I let him have the camera and do what he do. I told him to go off. I said, go ahead and do what you want to do, brother. Take care of it. They got a lot of Corvettes out here, man. Look at all these Corvettes out here. This you, brother? This you?
Yes, sir.
Can I get a start up?
Yeah.
I want to hear this bad boy. How you doing this morning?
Cold but good. How are you?
Both. Cold.
Yeah.
I'm cold. I've been out here filming since 2 o'clock.
I know. I remember you were here when I got here.
Yeah.
It's nothing too crazy. It just has headers.
That's
My
okay.
Soul Factory sauce.
All right, we're going to get a cold start right here. There you go. Sounds good, brother.
Enough to matter, but you know, when I'm driving regular, I'm not overbearing. So I just want to get on it.
my channel. I didn't know I'm a pretty good gamer. I've been gaming since, you know, Pac-Man days, but I had to make a choice between gaming and car channel. I'm glad I chose this, man. I love doing this, man. You know, if I was gaming, I'd be in the warmth of my house doing, you know, playing games, whatever. But, man, I love doing this, man. This is right up my alley. Right up my alley. I love it. Over here and talk to Oklahoma City's finest. Check out that, man. Look at that, Alfa Romero. Oh, I found some Trans Am over here. Let's get this Trans Am action over here.